शुरू मजबूरी में किए थे, अब मजा आ रहा है।
Where are you guys from?
Germany.
German people, okay. I am a big German football fan. My favorite team is Germany.
Okay. We are not. So not like football.
What do you like the most?
Communism. Hacky sack.
What's that?
You know-
What's that?
This little ball, like when you play with your feet.
समझ रहे हो?
It's It can only touch your feet, and you only have to kick it like and not the floor.
ऐसा आइटम मेरे पास मत ला।
Describe
like
it once
a little-
again. Describe it once again. I'm trying.
It's like a tiny ball
Okay.
made out of sand.
Okay.
Because I stand inside the ball like this big, and you throw it at first, and then everyone you stand in a circle, and everyone has to kick it with their feet so it stays up, you know, and it can't touch.
Okay. Something like volleyball, I guess. Beach bowling and something like that.
हो गए बकचोदे।
Hello.
Hi.
Why so serious? You look good in smiling. So where are you from? Which country? Let me guess.
तो प्लीज इसको लाइक और फॉलो करके आगे बढ़ा दीजिए। ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है।
But with your feet.
Kind of, and it's called hacky sack.
Yeah, it seems very tough, I guess.
Yes.
So you guys play that? Very often?
Yes. We actually play in a team, and we are first in our I don't know how it's called.
So you guys
In our
are,
state.
so you guys are professional players, I guess.
Yeah, we are professional.
Okay. Big round of applause for you guys. Hacky sack. Okay, hacky sack. I will search that for sure. I'm glad and I'm obsessed with these type of sports, which I came to know for the first time, I guess, and I'm interested in watching that. I think I saw a clip of that.
Yeah, what nationality are you?
I am from Saudi Arabia, bro.
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो मत करो रन।
Nice.
You are from?
Australia.
So is there night in Australia? You are so dark in the video.
Our camera is broken.
Your camera is broken. And what about the
Yeah.
mic? I'm getting two voices. One is male and one is female.
साले तू
Yeah.
I'm a trainee.
So what are you training right now?
ला भोसड़ी के बेटे।
Hello.
Just for your.
कर ले अपना कर ले
Kind of max. Do you sing?
कर लेगा. What you guys doing right now? What's that?
Do you sing?
What's that?
A
What's
fish.
music? What's that?
We're eating a raw fish.
Some guys are playing that with their feet, but it seems very tough. So I didn't know that is a sport in Germany. And I will meet some professional players someday.
Yes.
It's my pleasure.
Players.
Yeah, professional hacky sacky player, and you guys met one gully cricketer here, bro.
रहने दो।
Philippines.
Philippines, Pansit Canton. I like Pansit Canton.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah, I like it very much. Would you please move
Which
the camera a bit
flavor?
up, a bit above?
No.
You can't see.
I don't want to. Hello, hi.
कहाँ से मेरे भाई?
MP.
एमपी से तो वो फोन पे क्यों घुसा जा रहा है? उसको बोल अपना सर निकाल फोन से। अंदर ही आ गया तो थोड़ी देर में कैमरे से बाहर आ जाता।
शुद्ध चूतिया लड़के हो तुम।
Say
Oh,
hi.
regarde, il y a un chat. Il y a un chat.
Say
Trop beau ce
hi.
chat. Is it Garfield?
Yes, his name is Jack. Jack
Oh,
from
wait.
the Titanic.
Where you from?
What's your name?
My name is Rebecca.
Hi, Rubika.
Where you from?
रस्सी जल गई पर बल नहीं गया
From Dubai.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
Why you lying?
No, I am using VPN. That's why.
Why you using VPN?
Because it is very difficult to hang on to Omegle because of some connection error. That's why I'm using Omegle with a VPN.
Okay.
There is connection error. That's why I have to use that. So where are you from?
From France.
French. Okay.
France. Yeah.
French. I said French, not French. So what you like the most in France?
What?
What you like in France? Any special thing about France?
The boys.
So the French boys.
Yeah.
So Jack is also French.
Oh, I like you.
Yeah, he can do some French kissing, you know.
ना भोसड़ी के बेटे
Yeah.
प्यारी समझ गई.
He can do that. He can definitely do that. Yes. Are you up to for it? Yeah, he is interested in you, Rubika.
We want Hacky Sack in the Olympics. Yes.
Okay. Definitely. It is, I guess it is a sport which deserves to be in the Olympics.
Yes. Yeah.
Because it is not an easy sport, I must say.
It's not. It's absolutely not. It's so hard. Oh,
So you guys, can I ask for a clip? Do you guys have any clip in your mobile so that my viewers can see that, because I am a YouTuber too? I just want my viewers to know that what is Hacky Sack is.
I really have a clip of us playing because, like, they wear no matches, and the old ones are like. We can show you a clip of our friends who are playing.
Yeah, definitely. You can. I just want to show them what is Hacky Sack exactly, because I know, but they don't know. No, that's why.
शर्म तो नहीं आ रही है बिल्कुल भी.
चला जा भोसड़ी के.
Hello.
Yes, Jones.
Where are you from, bro?
I am from India, bro. You are from India?
No, bro. I am not from India, bro. I am from Dubai.
I can tell you are from India or not.
I am using VPN, bro. Don't act over smart. I am using VPN.
Okay.
गड्ढा समझाओ इसे, समझाओ. ऐसे खिलौने बाजार में बहुत बिकते हैं.
Okay. Don't act smart. I will act like fool.
Yeah, bro. I am using VPN, bro. I know you guys are very, very smart in doing this type of faltu ellagiri, bro.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
Yes, bro. See. This is my फालतू हाथ फूट गया भाई.
पूरा चालू VPN लगा के लोगों की IP पता कर रहा तू सियाना. हेलो.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
What?
I'm searching for a Hacky Sack clip. Of just like normal people and not like very.
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो रन.
Should I show it in the camera?
Yeah. There is no other way to show that. Yeah. Now I get it. It's a very small ball.
Yes, like just that big.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
प्यारी समझ गई.
दुनिया में बेवकूफ समझा.
भगवान के लिए थोड़ा प्रेयर कर दे.
यही सब कर. पापियों की कमी नहीं है. तू बड़ा पापी बैठ के IP ट्रैक कर रहा है वहाँ पर.
मैं अभी ट्रैक करूंगा. आप भी ट्रैक करो.
मेरा क्या ट्रैक करेगा?
चूतिया है क्या?
तेरा तीसरा हाथ कहाँ से आ गया बे? हेलो.
रो जाते हैं इस
किस उम्मीद पे आज जीतेंगे, कल जीतेंगे, परसों जीतेंगे, रोज हारते हैं।
कहाँ से?
उड़ीसा के संबलपुर।
अच्छा, मैं रायपुर गया हूँ भाई, उड़ीसा में। जब न्यू रायपुर का कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा था उस टाइम पे गया हूँ। मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स। मैं मुंबई से हूँ भाई।
पैसे वाले हम क्या करें?
अरे पैसा तो भाई बरस रहा है पैसा। कितना पैसा चाहिए बताओ ना? 2,000 के तो जेरॉक्स करके नोट रखे हुए हैं। So you guys play that sport in a circle, or is there any court or something like that?
And our sometimes you try a triangle or something. Yeah. One time we did like a star shape. That was fun.
Okay, I forgot to ask your names.
I'm Pauline. I'm Lily. I'm Mia.
सब गांडू लोग अपन को भी कचरा राजा बोलते थे और अपन का सोच बहुत आगे।
मेरे 15 लीटर की गाड़ी है, टंकी पेट्रोल की, उसमें 20 लीटर तेल डालते हैं। इतना ज्यादा रिच है। दुबई। हाँ, दुबई नगर से हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं, हम तो चूतिए हैं, दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे।
Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate in God.